Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here today.
Yes, this is a safe place to learn English.
No stress, no fear. Just easy English.
Today's topic is very simple.
Very fun, too.
We are going to talk about
Your favorite things. Food, color, place, people, hobbies, everything you like.
if you were a beginner, don't worry.
We will speak slowly.
We will repeat.
And we will practice together.
Before we start, a small request.
Please like this podcast.
Subscribe to the channel.
And share it with a friend who is learning English.
All right, let's begin. Part 1. What does favorite mean? First, let's understand one word.
The word is favorite.
Favorite means something you like the most.
I'll repeat. Favorite means something you like the most.
For example, my favorite food is pizza.
Good example. My favorite color is blue.
Great. Let's say it together.
My favorite thing is blankets. Good job.
Listen, practice, repeat. Listen first. My favorite drink is tea.
Now you repeat.
Pause for listener.
Nice. You're doing great.
Part 2. Favorite food. Let's talk about favorite food.
Everyone eats food.
So this is very useful English.
I'll ask you a question. What is your favorite food?
I'll answer first. My favorite food is rice and vegetables.
Simple and healthy. My favorite food is noodles.
Let's add one more sentence. I like rice because it is easy to cook.
Nice sentence. I like noodles because they are quick.
Now you try. My favorite food is because pause.
Very good. You're improving already.
Part 3. Favorite drink.
Now let's talk about drinks. Water, tea, coffee, juice.
Simple words.
My favorite drink is coffee.
My favorite drink is water.
Water is great.
Let's practice again. My favorite drink is blankets.
Say it slowly. Good job.
Part 4. Favorite color.
Now colors.
Colors are easy and fun.
Red, blue, green, black, white.
My favorite color is black.
My favorite color is pink.
Let's add feeling. I like black because it looks clean.
I like pink because it feels happy.
Now you. Pause.
Excellent.
Part 5. Favorite place. Let's talk about places.
Home, park, market, office.
My favorite place is my home.
Same here. My favorite place is my room.
Why?
Because I feel relaxed there.
Good sentence. My favorite place is the park because I like walking.
Now you speak.
Pause.
Great confidence.
Part 6. Favorite hobby. Now hobbies.
Hobby means something you like to do.
My favorite hobby is listening to music.
My favorite hobby is cooking.
Let's repeat together.
My favorite hobby is blankets. Add one more line. I do it every day.
Nice and simple. Part 7. Daily life examples. Now listen carefully. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Very real example. My favorite breakfast is toast and tea.
Short sentence. Easy English.
Repeat with us. My favorite breakfast is blankets. Perfect. Encouragement break.
You are doing amazing.
Yes, even small sentences are progress.
Don't try to be perfect.
Try to be clear.
English is a habit.
And you are building it.
Part 8. Mixing everything. Let's mix all favorites. My favorite food is rice. My favorite drink is tea. My favorite place is home.
Very good flow. My favorite food is fruit. My favorite drink is water. My favorite hobby is walking. Now you try all 3. Pause. Wow, that was great.
Part 9. Favorite things in your day. Okay, Jelly, let's continue.
Yes. Now we talk about favorite things in our daily day.
Good sentence.
Thank you.
I'll start simple. My favorite part of the day is the morning.
Nice. My favorite part of the day is the evening.
Let's repeat for listeners. My favorite part of the day is...
Good job. Good job. You are speaking already.
Part 10.
Great sentence.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Part 11. Favorite breakfast. Now, breakfast.
Everyone eats breakfast.
Or skips breakfast.
Yes, that is also true.
My favorite breakfast is a banana.
Very easy example. My favorite breakfast is bread and butter.
Let's repeat slowly. My favorite breakfast is...
Good pronunciation.
Add feeling. I like my breakfast because it is quick.
I like my breakfast because it is tasty.
Your turn again.
Excellent.
Part 12. Favorite clothes. Now, let's talk about clothes.
Clothes are a part of daily life.
My favorite clothes are comfortable clothes.
Good. My favorite clothes are jeans and a t-shirt.
Very common English. Let's make it simple. My favorite clothes are...
Good job. Add one line. I like them because they feel good.
Perfect beginner sentence. Part 13. Favorite work or study time?
Now, work and study. This is useful for adults and students.
My favorite work time is the morning.
Why?
Because my mind is fresh.
Nice. My favorite study time is the night.
Good contrast. Repeat with us. My favorite...
You're learning fast.
Part 14. Favorite food during the day?
Not just breakfast. Yes, lunch and dinner too.
My favorite lunch is rice and vegetables.
My favorite dinner is soup.
Short sentences are powerful.
Yes, short English is real English.
Repeat. My favorite lunch is... My favorite dinner is...
Well done.
Part 15. Favorite people.
Now favorite people. This part is emotional.
My favorite person is my mother.
Very sweet. My favorite people are my friends.
Plural is okay too. Add one line. I like her because she supports me.
I like them because they make me laugh.
Now you.
That sounded great.
Part 16. Favorite small things.
Now small things. Small things make us happy.
My favorite small thing is morning silence.
Nice English. My favorite small thing is hot coffee.
Very relatable. Repeat after us. My favorite small thing is...
Good confidence.
Part 17. Favorite weekend activity.
Weekend time. Everyone loves weekends.
My favorite weekend activity is resting.
Very honest. My favorite weekend activity is watching movies.
Good daily English. Say it again. My favorite weekend activity is...
Perfect.
Part 18. Repeat and build confidence. Let's repeat many sentences together.
Yes, repetition helps memory.
My favorite food is...
My favorite drink is... My favorite place is... My favorite hobby is...
Amazing.
You are speaking more smoothly now.
Part 19. Natural mini conversation. Jelly, what is your favorite thing in the evening?
My favorite thing in the evening is relaxing.
Nice. I like relaxing too.
Why?
Because my day is finished.
Very natural English.
Part 20. Encouragement. Friends, you are doing great.
Yes, even listening is learning.
Speaking slowly is okay.
Thinking slowly is okay.
You don't need big words.
You need clear words.
Part 21. Favorite sounds and noises. Okay, let's continue.
Now we talk about favorite sounds.
Sounds are part of daily life.
Yes, we hear sounds all day.
My favorite sound is morning birds.
That sounds peaceful. My favorite sound is soft music.
Nice and simple. Let's practice. My favorite sound is pause.
Good job. Say it slowly.
You're doing great. Part 22. Favorite smells. Now smells.
Smells are strong memories.
My favorite smell is fresh tea.
Very relatable. My favorite smell is rain.
Beautiful English. Repeat with us. My favorite smell is pause.
Excellent. Short sentence, clear meaning.
Part 23. Favorite weather. Let's talk about weather.
Weather English is very useful.
My favorite weather is cool weather.
Nice. My favorite weather is sunny weather.
Good. Add one line. I like cool weather because it feels calm.
I like sunny weather because I feel active.
Your turn. Pause.
Great sentence.
Part 24. Favorite time alone. Now let's talk about being alone.
This is very real life.
My favorite alone time is early morning.
Quiet time. My favorite alone time is late night.
Why?
Because everything is quiet.
Good reason. Practice. My favorite alone time is pause.
Nice and clear.
Part 25. Favorite things at home. Now, favorite things at home.
Everyone has something.
My favorite thing at home is my bed.
Very honest. My favorite thing at home is my window.
Interesting. Add reason. I like my bed because I can rest.
I like my window because I see outside.
Your turn. Pause.
Perfect.
Part 26. Favorite simple joys. Now, small joys.
Small joys make big happiness.
My favorite simple joy is drinking tea slowly.
Very calm English. My favorite simple joy is walking quietly.
Nice sentence. Repeat. My favorite simple joy is... Pause.
You sound confident.
Part 27. Favorite daily habit. Let's talk about habits.
Habits are daily actions.
My favorite daily habit is morning stretching.
Healthy habit. My favorite daily habit is writing notes.
Very good. Practice sentence. My favorite daily habit is... Pause.
Well done.
Part 28. Favorite food feelings. Now, food feelings.
Not just food names.
My favorite food feeling is being full.
Very real. My favorite food feeling is warm food.
Nice. Repeat slowly. My favorite food feeling is... Pause.
Great control.
Part 29. Favorite daily moment. Now, one moment.
One small moment.
My favorite daily moment is sitting quietly.
Peaceful. My favorite daily moment is evening tea time.
Nice phrase. Practice. My favorite daily moment is... Very good English.
Wrap up. All right, friends, let's recap.
Today, we learned how to talk about favorite things.
We used simple sentences.
My favorite is blank.
We talked about food,
Drinks,
colors,
places.
and hobbies.
Remember, simple English is good English.
Practice a little every day.
Speak slowly
Repeat often.
and be kind to yourself.
Now, a question for you.
Tell us in the comments.
What is your favorite thing to do in the morning? We'd love to read your answers.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Keep practicing English.